In a sleepy seaside town, a boastful parrot named Pico hijacked the town bulletin board by mimicking voices with impeccable timing. Pico announced surprise holidays, swapped Monday for Mango Day, and convinced the mayor to schedule sunrise parrot parades that drew curious crowds. The townsfolk woke to glittering flyers, learned songs from a ringing squawking choir, and slowly realized Pico never asked permission before his dramatic changes. A shy octopus librarian began cataloging the chaos, while secretly cheering the creativity that turned routine into carnival. When Pico signed off with a wink, the town embraced the whimsy and vowed to hire wiser birds next season.